Fixing the barn roof. A deep dive into idioms and phrases. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, fixing the barn roof. This phrase might seem straightforward at first glance, but it's packed with cultural context and idiomatic meaning. Whether you're an English learner or just looking to expand your vocabulary, you're in the right place. Let's explore what this phrase really means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Fixing the barn roof literally refers to the action of repairing the roof of a barn. A barn is a large farm building used for storing grain, hay, or for housing livestock. The roof might need fixing due to damage from weather conditions like storms, wear and tear over time, or other damages. This task is essential to protect the barn's contents and maintain the structure's integrity. Beyond its literal interpretation, fixing the barn roof can also take on a figurative meaning. It's used to describe taking preventative or necessary measures to avoid a bigger problem in the future. Just like repairing a roof to prevent further damage to a barn, this phrase can apply to various aspects of life. It emphasizes the importance of addressing issues promptly to avoid more significant problems down the line. Let's look at how you might hear fixing the barn roof used in everyday language. 1. Financial planning. I've started saving a part of my paycheck every month. Fixing the barn roof before any financial storms hit. 2. Health and wellness. Joining the gym and eating healthier is my way of fixing the barn roof. Better to start now than deal with health issues later. 3. Home maintenance. We decided to get the house inspected and fix any minor issues now. Sort of like fixing the barn roof, so we don't face major repairs in the future. Understanding phrases like fixing the barn roof requires a bit of cultural context. It reflects a practical, proactive mindset often celebrated in cultures that value foresight and preparation. This phrase is a great example of how language can reflect broader cultural attitudes towards responsibility and planning. Fixing the barn roof is more than just a phrase about farm maintenance. It's a valuable lesson in taking action today to prevent problems tomorrow. We hope this video has shed some light on the depth and richness of the English language, offering you a useful idiom to enrich your conversations. Thank you for joining us, and keep practicing your English with phrases like these to become more fluent and confident speakers. See you in the next video.